Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you top 4 best credit cards for free lounge access right now. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to transform those chaotic pre-flight hours into a relaxing mini vacation here, while getting a credit card that opens airport lounge doors is an absolute game changer. Now, instead of waiting around at a lounge terminal K here, well, you can step into a quiet sanctuary complete with cozy seating, free Wi-Fi, complimentary food and drinks, and even hot showers in select spots. Now, in this case, what's the first option here? So we first have the City Advantage exclusive World Elite Mastercard. Now, if you're a fiercely loyal to a specific carrier here, well, this card is a total must-have for frequent American Airlines flyers. Now, instead of making you navigate massive, confusing web of partner networks, it keeps its focus beautifully simple. Now, whenever you are gearing up for a long flight here, you literally just flash this card at the door to get instant access to their dedicated Admirals Club lounges, now giving you a reliable, stress-free place to completely unwind before boarding. Now, next is we have Capital One Venture X. Now, if you want exclusive high-end spaces but absolutely hate the idea of paying massive, overwhelming premium annual fee, well, this card is a brilliant new player that you shouldn't underestimate. Now, it hits a perfect sweet spot by giving you widespread global priority pass access while also unlocking Capital One's very own signature lounges. Now, these spaces are beautifully designed with sleek, modern vibe that makes you feel like an exclusive VIP without forcing you into a top-tier premium fee structure. And next is we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Now, if you want a legendary all-rounder that effortlessly balances the global lounges access with massive built-in value, well, this card is an absolute powerhouse for travelers. Now, it grants you a full priority pass membership, which gives you access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide. So, crucially here, this isn't just a basic entry ticket. It ensures your experience these spaces with full benefits wherever priority pass is actually accepted. Now, on top of that, it comes with a generous annual travel credit that quickly and easily offsets a hefty chunk of its upfront annual fee. And finally, we have the Platinum card from American Express. Now, saving the ultimate travel juggernaut for the last year, so this card is unmatched if you are chasing the absolute highest tier of luxury and premium perks. Now, it gives you the deepest high-end access to on the market, and most notably unlocking doors to AMX's own world-class Centurion lounges, which are famous for chef-driven dining, professional mixologists, and even on-site spa treatments. Now, when you pack in their additional partnerships with Delta Sky Club and Priority Pass here, becomes the ultimate luxury fallback option for high-frequency flyers. So, in this case, picking the right card just boils down to how you naturally travel. Are you looking for widespread global coverage, hyper-specific airline loyalty, or a specific luxury sanctuary here? Well, pick the card that aligns with your roots, and your airport experience will reach completely new heights. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.